Hello, my name is Sandro Guardiola. Today I am going to tell you about my daily routines. Okay, I always get up 7 o'clock. Then brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. After, I usually check my social network and watch news on TV. Then at 9 o'clock, I usually do university work. After, at 12:30, I have lunch with my family, and sometimes I take a nap. 10, studying in the afternoon, and at 4 o'clock, I usually play soccer with my neighborhood friends. When I return home, I always take a shower, have dinner with my family, and then go to my virtual classes. At end of the classes, I always brush my teeth, check my social network, and go to the bed at 11 at night. And that's how my day ends. Okay? On weekends, Saturday and Sunday, I almost always watch soccer games throughout the day. And at night, I usually watch movie or series on Netflix. And sometimes I go out with my friends to eat. I rarely do university work on the weekends. Thank you.